So, network hardware. So these are the hardware devices that you need to set up a network. The first three we're going to look at are switch, hub, and router. So a switch is an intelligent device, therefore it forwards the packets of data to the computer that it's intended for, or the device that it's intended for. A hub, on the other hand, sends all the data packets to all of the computers, and then it's only sort of acknowledged and received by the device that it was actually intended for. Obviously the downfall with that is that there's a lot of data being sent to places it doesn't need to, so it's going to cause data collisions. A router, you'd have seen one of these at home. It perhaps has a Sky or a BT logo on it. It's similar to a switch in the sense that it's a smart device, therefore it can forward the data packets exactly where they need to go, but it also allows you to connect your network to the internet. Okay, so the next piece of hardware allows you to connect a local area network to a wide area network, and this is called a gateway. This is used when the two networks that you're trying to connect together have two different base protocols, so a LAN and a WAN. If you're trying to connect two networks together and they have the same base protocol, so if you're connecting a LAN to another LAN, then you would use what we call a bridge. So you'll be familiar with a LAN, a local area network, and a WAN, a wide area network, but you also need to know what a PAN is, which is a personal area network. So this is the small network of devices that you have on your person. So it could be a tablet, a PDA, a smartwatch, your mobile phone, a laptop, anything that is on your person that is connected together. There's also something called a Metropolitan area network, which is in between a LAN and a WAN. So it's not like a LAN where it's all on one site or one building, and it's not necessarily a wide area network that spans across a whole country or the whole world. It's normally perhaps within a village or a town or a city, and it's all the devices that are connected together within that area. And then finally, there are virtual private networks. So this uses a public network, so usually the internet. So it uses the physical cables and the hardware that's there for the internet. However, the messages are encrypted, so it makes everything more secure. So it acts as though it's a more private network, but it is still using the internet. You'll perhaps be more familiar with this logo, which enables you to set up your own VPN.